Imagine a vehicle that lives at the intersection of a luxury penthouse, a military-grade transport, and a self-contained survival bunker. A machine that doesn't ask where the road ends, because it was never designed to stay on one. This is not just an RV. It's not just a truck. It's a rolling stronghold built to carry you beyond civilization, beyond borders, and beyond comfort zones most vehicles would never survive. This is the Mercedes-Benz Celestial Cruiser 2026. Welcome back to Wheelhouse Reviews, where we break down the most extreme vehicles on the planet. And today, we're stepping into a world where luxury meets total domination of terrain. The Celestial Cruiser 2026 is Mercedes-Benz at its most unapologetic. This is a full-scale 6x6 expedition vehicle designed for people who don't travel for convenience, but for conquest. It's intimidating in size, intimidating in capability, and intimidating in price. At nearly $1 million, this machine exists in a category where compromises simply don't exist. This is a vehicle engineered to cross deserts, ice fields, jungles, and mountain ranges, while keeping its occupants wrapped in silence, warmth, and refined comfort. It's not built to impress at a campsite. It's built to survive anywhere on Earth, indefinitely. From the moment you see it, the Celestial Cruiser looks less like a motorhome and more like a classified military prototype. The body is defined by armored geometry, flat planes, reinforced edges, and aggressive angles that communicate strength before it even moves. The front fascia is dominated by a heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz grille, framed by industrial LED lighting systems designed to cut through dust storms, snowfields, and pitch-black wilderness. High-mounted light bars, perimeter floodlights, and infrared-ready housings turn night into day when visibility disappears. 6 massive off-road wheels, planted beneath widened fenders, give the Cruiser a planted, unstoppable posture. This is a vehicle that doesn't lean into terrain, it crushes it. The chassis is purpose-built, reinforced for extreme torsion, with skid plates protecting every critical component underneath. Every line, every panel, every bolt feels intentional. This isn't styled for beauty, it's styled for survival, with beauty emerging naturally from purpose. Step inside, and the contrast is almost shocking. Where the exterior feels like a fortress, the interior feels like a private luxury residence, floating above the chaos outside. Mercedes-Benz transforms raw engineering into refined living with surgical precision. The main lounge area is spacious and intelligently laid out, featuring premium leather seating, natural wood accents, and soft ambient lighting that adapts to time of day and driving conditions. Acoustic insulation seals the cabin from wind, vibration, and engine noise, creating a calm, controlled environment even while crossing brutal terrain. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, induction cooking, refrigeration, and concealed storage designed for long expeditions. The bathroom offers a full shower system, premium fixtures, and water efficiency technologies that make extended off-grid living realistic. The sleeping quarters are quiet, climate-controlled, and deeply comfortable. Designed for real rest, not compromise, is a place you can live in for months, not just pass through. Underneath this luxury fortress lives a drivetrain engineered for domination. Power comes from a high-output Mercedes-Benz diesel engine, delivering immense torque exactly where it's needed, low in the rev range, where terrain resistance is brutal. The 6x6 drivetrain distributes power across all axles, with intelligent torque vectoring, locking differentials, and advanced traction control systems. Suspension is fully adaptive, designed to articulate over rocks, absorb punishment from uneven terrain, and maintain stability under massive loads. Whether crawling through boulder fields or cruising across open desert, the Celestial Cruiser remains composed, confident, and relentless. This is long-range endurance engineering at its finest. With extended fuel capacity and optimized efficiency, the Cruiser is built to keep moving long after conventional vehicles would turn back. Technology is where this vehicle quietly becomes unstoppable. The cockpit features advanced navigation systems with global terrain mapping, real-time diagnostics, multi-angle camera systems, and driver assistance technologies designed specifically for extreme environments. Off-grid systems are fully integrated. High-capacity solar arrays feed an advanced battery management system capable of powering the entire living space for extended periods. Water filtration, purification, and storage systems allow operation far beyond civilization. Connectivity doesn't disappear when the road does. Satellite communications, global internet options, and emergency transmission systems ensure you're never truly isolated, unless you choose to be. Safety in the Celestial Cruiser is not optional, it's fundamental. Armored construction protects occupants from environmental hazards, debris, and extreme conditions. Advanced driver aids assist in low visibility, steep descents, and unstable surfaces. Recovery systems, reinforced winches, and redundant mechanical systems are built in, not added later. Emergency survival equipment is seamlessly integrated, turning this vehicle into a mobile lifeline when the environment turns hostile. This isn't just protection, it's preparedness. At $955,000, the Celestial Cruiser 2026 is undeniably expensive, but it's not overpriced. This is a hand-built, ultra-low production expedition platform that replaces not just a vehicle, but a home, a hotel, and a logistics operation. Optional packages allow further customization for climate extremes, communications upgrades, and extended autonomy. For full-time overlanders and expedition professionals, ownership becomes an investment, one that holds strong resale value due to rarity, brand prestige, and unmatched capability. This vehicle isn't for casual travelers. It's for expedition explorers who cross continents, for survivalists who plan for worst-case scenarios, for digital nomads who work where others can't reach, and for individuals who value independence over convenience. If your idea of freedom includes disappearing into the world without giving up comfort, this was built for you. The Mercedes-Benz Celestial Cruiser 2026 doesn't compete with other luxury RVs because nothing else truly exists in the same space. This is a vehicle that redefines mobility, independence, and long-term exploration. It's not just transportation, it's infrastructure on wheels, a statement of intent, an investment in absolute freedom. If there's a machine capable of taking you anywhere on Earth and letting you stay there, it's this one. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Wheelhouse Reviews, and drop a comment telling us where you'd take the Celestial Cruiser first. And stay tuned, because our next review goes even deeper into the world of extreme machines.